Hey, everybody, I want to show you right now a fast and effective trade. I am a trader with 10 years of experience. I regularly implement modern technologies in my work. I am helped by a robot called MaxBot. It is a unique assistant, which collects indicator data in real time and provides it in a convenient format, immediately recommending which direction to open a deal. This is a serious help to optimize your trading strategy, which directly affects the improvement of results. I entered the trade on a signal, on the upside. Currency pair Australian dollar, Swiss franc, timeframe 1 minute. Data update periodicity in the robot is also 1 minute. I started with $1 and I want to reach a steep amount quickly. For this purpose I will invest the whole deposit amount in each trade and use forecasts from MaxBot. I will summarize the results at the end of the work. The speed of price movement is accelerated to make you feel comfortable watching this video, friends. By the way, the bot is absolutely free. You can pick it up at the link in the description. After a month, you can only pick it up for a fee, so I recommend you to hurry up. And to not miss new videos, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. There will be even more interesting in developing your thinking content. Give me a like and comment, I really appreciate it. Sentiment trading. Welcome to the new reality of the markets. There was a time when price action was king. When candlesticks and volume were the end-all be-all of decision-making. But let's face it, that world is fading fast. Today, data doesn't just come from charts. It comes from Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, central bank press conferences, breaking news headlines. You're not just trading numbers, you're trading emotion. And this is where sentiment trading becomes not just a buzzword, but the new superpower of the modern trader. Money management. Still the core of it all. Before we decode the psychology of the crowd, let's get one thing straight. If you don't control your own risk, the market will do it for you. Brutally, the smartest traders don't care about being right. They care about not blowing up. And that starts with proper money management. You know the drill. If your deposit is $100, trade $1 per position. That nets you around 80 cents per winning trade. Doesn't sound like much? But scale to $1,000, trade $10, and you're banking $8 per win. Move to $10,000, and a $100 trade brings you $80. The strategy doesn't change, just the scale. More capital equals more earning power. That's why I always say, deposit the max you're comfortable with, not your rent money, and treat trading like a business, not a slot machine. And yes, trading is risky. Like launching a startup or opening a restaurant, you can lose money. But you manage that risk by never putting more than 1 to 2% of your deposit into any single trade. Period. What is sentiment trading, really? Imagine this. You're in a stadium. 60,000 people are all watching the same game. Suddenly, one side starts cheering louder. Even before a goal is scored, you feel it coming. That's sentiment. It's the collective psychology of traders around the world. And now, thanks to technology, we can measure it. Scan it, use it. You're not just trading technical levels anymore. You're trading the crowd's fear, hope, excitement, and panic. Pop culture, panic, and patterns. In The Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort says, "Act as if you're already a success." That's what the market does. It prices in emotion before facts. Fed chair drops a hawkish hint? USD rallies before anything official happens. Elon tweets? Crypto spikes before the logic kicks in. War tensions rise? Risk-off trades flood before bullets fly. Think of sentiment like the Stranger Things upside down. A hidden world under the surface that influences everything above it. The tools of the sentiment trader. In 2025, traders have access to tools that even Wall Street didn't dream of 15 years ago. You can now track Twitter keyword spikes, Reddit forum volume, news sentiment scoring, fear and greed indices, even chatbot sentiment models trained to detect tone in central bank speeches. You're no longer blind, you're plugged in. But here's the trick. Sentiment is fluid. It doesn't give you signals. It gives you context. Combine that with your technicals, and you unlock a deeper level of clarity. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. By the way, in addition to the free bot, by the link in the description you will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analytics from me. Also, you will get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300 then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. How sentiment shapes currency pairs. Let's break it down. USD gets hit by EU political drama? Sentiment turns bearish before the trend confirms. USD, JPY spikes when risk-off fear spreads? That's a global safety trade, driven by emotion, not just fundamentals. GBP pairs? One Brexit headline and boom, sentiment flips overnight. It's like watching Game of Thrones. The twist doesn't come when the character dies, it comes when you realize it's coming. That realization? That's sentiment in action. How to apply it? 3 trader tips. Use sentiment as confirmation, not a standalone signal. If you see bullish sentiment on USD but your chart shows resistance at a key level, you wait. Let price confirm the mood. Track sentiment divergence. When price is rising but sentiment is falling, it's often a clue that the move lacks conviction and may reverse. Keep a mood journal. Every day, jot down what the market is feeling, how the news cycle looks, how people are reacting online. Over time, you'll see patterns. And patterns equals money. Sentiment is the new technical. We're not saying ignore charts. But charts only tell you what has happened. Sentiment helps you feel what will happen next. Think about Star Wars. Luke uses data to aim his torpedo. But he still closes his eyes and trusts the Force. Sentiment is your force. It's your edge in a world drowning in data. In the end, trading is about edge. And in this noisy, algorithm-driven market, that edge is no longer just about indicators. It's about interpretation, emotional awareness, pattern recognition, and yes, sentiment. If you're only looking at moving averages and ignoring how traders feel, you're fighting with half a sword. So plug into the narrative. Read the market's mood, and combine it with bulletproof discipline. Because in a world where everyone has access to the same data, your ability to understand the emotional current, that's what will keep you one step ahead. You're not just watching the market anymore. You're feeling it, and that's the real power. In the meantime, I've reached the final deal. I want to take one more step. I want the bot to help me one more time. Grab it for free, friends, if you haven't already. The link is below the video. I want to remind you that after a month, you can only pick it up for a fee. Hurry up. And of course subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. Also subscribe to our Telegram channel at the link in the description to always be the first to know important news. I would also like to remind you that together with the free bot you will get super bonuses. A promo code for plus 100% to deposit and access to exclusive chat. In the meantime, I finalized my work. The bot helped me from $1 to earn $1,771. That's great. See you soon, friends. More to come.